Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today, we're going to learn about a vowel team. We're going to learn about the vowel team EA. The EA makes a few sounds, but today we're going to learn that the EA says E like in eat. Let's get started. First, let's watch me trace and say the card, and then you will help me trace and say the card. E, A, eat, E. Can you boys and girls do it with me? E, pick up two fingers and let's go. E, A, eat, E. Excellent, boys and girls. Now I just want to go over the steps of how we figure out and how we can read our word. Always, we've learned step one is always to find our vowel. When we don't know a word, step one is to always find the vowel. I'm looking here and I see E. Step two is to look next to your vowel. We look next to our vowel to find our pattern. Step three, we underline the pattern we see. So we underline the vowel team and write two V's under it, just like I did here. So I found my vowel, I looked next to it, and I saw that there were two vowels. I underlined it and I wrote two V's. Step four is we tap out and read the word. So let's go ahead and tap out this word. We go e, me, meet, meet. Excellent, boys and girls. Now that we went over the steps of how to read a word we don't know, I'm going to show you how to code and read these words using the steps you saw before. Boys and girls, when we don't know a word, what's step one? Step one is to find the vowel. I look here and I see my E. Step two is to look next to our vowel. If I look next to my vowel, what do I see? I see another vowel. So I write two V's, I underline my vowel. That's my vowel team. I know, and you boys and girls now know, that EA says E. So now I tap out and I read my word. So let's go. B, E, B, B, T, beat. Excellent. Let's go to the next word. Step one, when we don't know a word, is finding our vowel. I see E is my vowel. I look next to it and I see A. A is another vowel. That's my vowel team. I see vowel team EA. So I underline it and I write two V's. My last step is to tap out and read this word. So let's tap it out together. We go ooh, E, leak, leak. My last and final word. Boys and girls, can you tell me what's step one when we don't know a word? What do we need to do first? Yes, we need to find our vowels. Correct, boys and girls. So where's my vowel? E is my vowel. I look next door and what do I see? I see another vowel. We see letter A. I underline my vowel team and I write two V's. Boys and girls, what's our last and final step? It is to tap out and read the word. Excellent. So let's tap it out. B-E, B-B-K, beak. Very good, boys and girls. So now what I want you to do is copy the words you see on the screen, code them, tap them, read them, and then upload them onto Class Dojo so we can check it. Bye. I hope you have a great day.